In the realm of business management software, Sage stands as a well-established name, offering a wide array of solutions for various business needs. However, navigating their offerings can sometimes feel like deciphering a complex map, especially when encountering terms like Sage and Sage Intacct. For those involved in project management, where financial oversight and resource allocation are critical, understanding the distinctions between these two is paramount. So, let's break down the key differences between Sage and Sage Intacct in a clear and straightforward manner. Think of Sage as the overarching brand, a large umbrella encompassing a diverse portfolio of accounting and business management software. It's like a major automobile manufacturer that produces various models, from compact cars to heavy-duty trucks. Under this Sage umbrella, you'll find a range of products designed for different business sizes and specific industry needs. These solutions often have a longer history and are typically deployed as on-premises software, meaning they are installed and run on your company's own servers. Examples of these traditional Sage products include Sage 50 Cloud, formerly Peachtree, Sage 200, and Sage 300. Sage Intacct, on the other hand, is a specific product within the Sage family. It's not a broad category, but rather a distinct, cloud-native financial management platform. Unlike many of the traditional Sage offerings, Sage Intacct was built from the ground up for the cloud. This cloud-native architecture is a fundamental differentiator, impacting everything from accessibility and scalability to integration capabilities and the user experience. One of the most significant distinctions lies in their deployment. Traditional Sage products are primarily on-premises. This means your business purchases the software license and installs it on your own servers. You are responsible for the upkeep, maintenance, and security of the system. While some traditional Sage products now offer cloud-connected features, hence the cloud in Sage 50 Cloud, their core architecture remains rooted in on-premises deployment. Sage Intacct, being cloud-native, operates entirely online. You access the software through a web browser, and all data is stored securely on Sage Intacct servers. This eliminates the need for significant upfront investment in hardware and reduces the burden of IT maintenance. Updates and security patches are handled by Sage Intacct automatically, ensuring you always have the latest version. Another crucial difference lies in their target audience and scalability. Traditional Sage products often cater to small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, with more straightforward accounting needs. While they can scale to a certain extent, they might require more complex configurations or upgrades as a business grows significantly. Sage Intacct, however, is specifically designed for mid-sized and growing businesses with more complex financial requirements. Its cloud architecture inherently offers greater scalability, allowing it to adapt to the increasing demands of a rapidly expanding organization. It can handle larger volumes of data, more users, and more intricate financial processes with greater ease. Functionality also presents a key area of divergence. While both offer core accounting features like general ledger, accounts payable, and accounts receivable, Sage Intacct typically boasts a more advanced and comprehensive suite of financial management capabilities. This often includes features like robust multi-entity consolidation, sophisticated reporting and analytics, revenue recognition management, ASC 606 compliance, and project accounting modules designed for service-based businesses. Traditional Sage products, while powerful for their target market, might have more limited capabilities in these advanced areas out of the box and may require add-on modules or integrations to achieve similar functionality. For project managers, the native project accounting features in Sage Intacct can be particularly advantageous, offering tools for tracking project costs, billing clients, and analyzing project profitability directly within the financial system. Integration capabilities also differ significantly. While traditional Sage products offer integrations with various third-party applications, Sage Intacct's modern, cloud-based architecture often facilitates more seamless and robust integrations through APIs, application programming interfaces. This allows for smoother data flow between Sage Intacct and other critical business systems like CRM, customer relationship management, project management software, and payroll systems. For project managers, this seamless integration can provide a holistic view of project finances and performance across different platforms. Finally, The user interface and overall user experience tend to be more modern and intuitive in Sage Intacct due to its cloud-first design. Built with contemporary web technologies, it often offers a more streamlined and user-friendly experience compared to some of the more established traditional Sage products that may have evolved over time with different interface iterations. This can impact user adoption and overall efficiency for project teams who need to access financial data and reports.